Guys, we're back with Toby a Go-Go, and so we forgot to bring our cot, so we're so clever that we got this pallet. But what I want to do is work on my retrieving a little bit. But again, what I'm kind of saying to myself is, this dog's got so much momentum. We need to channel a little, and that's what you want to think of. If you said, if we think of momentum as like a river moving, something that's in motion, we're not going to stop it. It's going to be easier to rechannel it than it is to build a dam and stop it. So I want to just warm up a little bit because he's hyped up and ready to go. My body language right now says nothing. I'm going to tell you what's going to change it is my moving my foot. Remember, I'm still working on my sit. So I'm almost got, I'm really not even losing the words. Alright, so what we want to do is, I'm going to try to just get him to go all the way down there from the pallet, because he has so much drive. I want to tap some of it out of him, honestly. I'm not really trying to build up with this dog. Look, he's all crooked. She hears me dogging. But I want you to understand, he's that. And I haven't worked on the sit that much. But if I'm just gets hurt, and if you're going to do it, you better commit. I know that. He knows I'm looking at this, but I can't. How absolutely perfect. And it wasn't absolutely perfect. It was close enough. Alright, so let's see if I can show you. So we put our bumpers down. They're hard to see. When they say these things are easy to see, they're easy to see for a person, not a dog. All right, hang on. Let me see if I can help you. Fetch. Ready? And ideally, I want to be able to send him from here, heel. Fetch. And that's the return I want. Fetch. I can get it because it fetch. It's already kind of in motion. All right, we're kind of lining up for my next one here. Fetch. All right, I'm already heel. Oh, he might even copy it. All right, guys, we're going to try to get him to do one little long send away. Bye, guys.